Welcome. In front of me I have Canon EOS M10, and today I will show you how we can enable or disable detach shutter. So we can do this in the two ways. The first one, we got it already on the screen. So when you tap here, detach shutter is disabled. So as you can see right now, when I try to take photo, it's enabled, right? But when I turn it on, right now I can tap here and the photo will be taken. And we can also adjust this option from the menu. So tap menu, then you have to scroll down to touch shutter, click set to enter, and as you can see here we can enable and disable, and also we can take off this icon from the screen. So for example, let's turn it off, turn it on, and then turn off the icon and just take a look. As you can see, when we are here, we can adjust this feature from the screen. We can only use the shutter. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.